this is our stainless beer faucet, and it can be taken apart when you need to clean it. Unscrew these 3 pieces. Got the washer in there and a wet one there. And then take there. And it's all taken apart so you can clean it. Then when you put it back together, this hole needs to be facing up right there so that you can fit this piece into there. There we go. So you can see that. Put that in there. Got the white washer. And this screws back on like so. And the tap handle. And there you go. You've got a new or clean faucet. And you can also purchase extra or replacement tap handles in 1 or 10 packs. And we do also sell faucet wrenches, and that works on our jockey boxes when you need to put a faucet on one of the shanks. And then when you need to tighten it, take the faucet and put it in one of these holes right here on the shank. And then just go around like that while holding onto the faucet just a little bit. And there. And it's all tight, and you're all good to go.